So this is the new shape of the MVS 31. These are, in fact, MiniPack came out with a whole new series of machines. They all have a bumped out front on them this year instead of the flat front that came all the way down. It's a little sleeker looking, and they did make a few other minor changes in the machine and how the back plate comes off. The depth of the chamber is probably the biggest thing that they changed on this machine. You now have just 3 plates instead of 4 that you used to have. So there's still one thin plate that comes out when you want to do a little bit deeper product, and then there are 2 other plates that come out. But the chamber is about 1 inch shorter than it was before, which actually makes the machine a little bit faster than it was last year. Simply because you don't have quite so much space to evacuate. You still have 9 different programmable settings, and the control panel works very much the same way it did last year. The on switch, the off switch, program controls that will let you do 9 different programmable settings, and the setting button which walks through all the different settings on each one of the programs. So you can set up different programs for doing different types of things. Once again, this is a machine that we can modify for doing the retort pouches. In this case, we put in 2 of the seal wires instead of the standard flat wire and cutoff wire. So this machine is actually equipped to do retort pouches today. And with all the plates in there, these machines really are quite fast. And we could run it once for you just to see how that works. Once again, probably one of the biggest bags you can put in here is like a 12 by 14, which turns out to be a really big bag anyway. But let's use this 2 DVD bags and a soft sponge in the middle, and we'll see what it comes out like. And like I say, these machines are pretty quick now. They have a 6-meter pump in them, and they have a reduced chamber size, which makes them process quite a bit faster. So once again, you extract all the air out of the chamber. When you get to 99.9, the heat seal bar comes on, air gets let back into the chamber, and presto changeo, we flattened out the DVD discs. So that's the MVS 31 in its new shape and size.